popular. It's already on. Come here. Come here. Let's read this book. Sit. Take this out. I want to talk to you. There goes Busy. There goes Busy Thomas with friends to guide the way. Thanks to Harold, Thomas can do all his work today. There goes helpful Harold flying high above the ground. The engines. There goes. The engine can rest easy knowing Harold is around. Are your hiccups gone? Are your hiccups gone?
No.
Are you sure? Are they gone?
This one.
Okay. 5 engine friends. Who puffs along the tracks, his coat shining in the sun. It's helpful and hardworking Thomas, engine number 1. Hold your breath. What are you doing? Come here. Down the track comes Edward. He is engine number 2. Just like Thomas, Edward is a lovely shade of blue. Henry with his green coat is a splendid sight to see. Racing through the countryside, he's engine number 3. Engine number 4 is He's blue like engines one. Are you all done yet?
No.
Are you done with your hiccups? Uh-oh.
It's broken.
I think it's called steam. Engine number 4 is Bird. See him steam along. He's blue like engines. Oh. Okay. Are we done?
Not yet.
Are hiccups done? What was that?
Excuse me.
What did he do? You gonna play Daddy a song?
Where's my music?
You're so sweet. Come here, give me a kiss. I want a kiss. No, don't you do it. Don't you do it. Hey! You can't do it, can you?
Can't do it on command.
Ew. You see yourself? Don't strain yourself. Oh! Come here. Come here, What's wrong? Are you sleepy?
Not yet.
Not yet. You want to read one more? Other side. Play something for Daddy. What was that?
Excuse me.
I do hope you know this is going on YouTube.
I guess.
I guess it won't wait for you. open. What do you tell Daddy to say? What do you tell Daddy to say?
Excuse me.
Whoa! Are you gonna vacuum?
Ow!
Excuse me. Can we run the carpet?
I'm gonna run it on the carpet.
No, on this rug.
Let me roll this one up.
Can